But I build a pencil guitar first. I don't know if you guys have seen on your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube feed, there's a YouTuber out there that built a colored pencil guitar. Burls Art took some time and filmed the process of him cutting up about 1,000 pencils, I think it was, and laid them out into a box, epoxied up that body, and then shaped it out and routed it out to build a pencil guitar. I think it's one of the most creative videos I've seen actually in a long time in terms of using an untraditional material to build a guitar body. Really neat way of him building it actually. If you watch the video, he's got different jigs and different things that he sets up. He doesn't have a whole shop full of tools, but he does a pretty good job of actually clamping things down or using different type of presses to drill straight or sand out the side of the body. Really impressed with that video and really want to congratulate him on doing awesome. It's got almost 680,000 views, I think, as of last night. Really great way of bringing some attention to the guitar building community. So anytime we get someone out there that's gone viral, it helps all of us that got a YouTube channel, bring some attention to all of us. I'm hoping I'll see a little bit more ad revenue as well. When I built my pencil guitar years ago, I used Office Max #2 pencils. I was working at Office Max at the time. What I did is I used 30-minute epoxy and I laid out 2 rows of pencils glued to a plywood back, and then I glued them on single row on the back. I had a lot of trouble with the epoxy. I was too scared of doing a full epoxy guitar body back in the day. This stuff was really expensive, almost 80-90 bucks for a gallon. I was unsure of how this was going to look, and if it looked like crap, I didn't want to present it at work. But this turned out pretty well. This is one of my custom guitar shapes. It was a Telecaster that I routed out and sort of laid out differently. One thing I didn't really like was this heel was going to maybe turn it on its edge or whatever. But this was one of my custom bodies, a Telecaster sort of ISK shape. I did have that same problem as he did where pencils were popping off. So in some instances, I would put the glue down and then relay the glue over it so it'd stick. This is probably about 12 years old now, and it's actually held up pretty well. Once those initial pencils sort of fell off, this whole thing didn't fall apart. I did have this piece fall apart in the move. I remember seeing it and I didn't pick it up off the ground, and maybe I should have. I did place a pick guard on this, you can see that here. So this actually looked pretty cool. This was a contest for decorating a tree. I made this as one of the gifts to the CEO, and I don't even know if he saw it, so I brought it back home and I've just been sitting on it. Was tempted to throw it out, but like I said, it's just one of those things that sits in the shop. So just a cool video by Burls Art. Wanted to bring that to your guys' attention and then show you something I had done, not really similar, but just taking alternative materials and turning them into the guitar, kind of like the Jack Daniels barrels that I've been doing. But lots of different ideas out there. I love seeing new videos, new users get out there and do something awesome. So good for all of us. Really interesting way the guy put the thing together, and this will be one of my Sunday conversations for 2019. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.